You get your 15 seconds of fame too. Was this your first time shooting? Okay, good. You look like you've been a seasoned veteran on pulling the trigger, which is pretty cool. What'd you think about the class?
I thought the class was excellent. I mean, this part of it could have been a little smoother. And they kind of told me not to bring my own gun. And if I had known, I would have brought my own gun. I mean, it made it a lot easier.
Yeah. The legal portion. What'd you think about the legal portion?
I thought the legal portion was really good. As a lawyer, I thought the legal portion was excellent.
That's cool. You squeezed 2 hours out of them, so that's good.
Yeah.
All right. I thank you.